In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-step verification on Roblox. If you look at my email right here, right, you're going to see that I just turned on the two-step verification, right? So I'm going to walk you through how you can do that, right? So open up your Roblox, right? Wait for it to open up. Click on this small option. Go down, click on settings. Click on security, right? I think there are three options for you to add up the two-step verification right here in Roblox, right? You can use the authentication app. You can use your email, right? And you can use, you can use your hardware security, right? So the one I'm using is the email address, right? So you can see mine is currently turned on, right? So what you need to do, just click on it to turn it on. Once you have clicked on it to turn it on, Roblox is going to send you a verification code, right, on your email address. Now copy that verification code and paste in, right? You're going to see an option where you can paste the verification code. Once you have done it, you're going to enable the email two-step verification here on your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you on the next video.